So, Amy, what are you seeing where you are?
All right, so I am in the Storm Fox right now, and we are just getting to 20th Ave, Southwest 20th Ave off of Veterans Parkway. If you're not familiar with that area of Cape Coral, I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see. Kevin, our photographer, is actually going to bust a Yui in one of these driveways, because when you go to 20th Ave and 29th Terrace, it is completely underwater. A lot of the residential roadways, we have crews that we're sending all over Southwest Florida to just show you how bad the flooding is in these areas. But it's those typical areas that we see. I mean, you know, the neighborhoods that see this, they see this when we get a lot of rainfall. So a lot of the people here expected this. On the main roadways, Veterans Parkway, Colonial Boulevard, 41, we were driving on all of those, and they were looking just fine. Now, remember what Cape Police and all of the law enforcement agencies around town will tell you is if you see water that looks deep and you're on the road, you should turn around. The slogan goes, turn around, don't drown. And we are not seeing that when we are driving on the roadway here in this part of Cape Coral. Again, Southwest 20th Ave. It is that road that kind of connects Veterans Parkway to Agua Linda, if you're familiar with that part of Cape Coral. It's just one of those arteries that goes through there. Several of the intersections completely underwater. We're going to try and head back over to that right now so you can see that. But Cape Police also putting out a warning about Diplomat Parkway, because again, we've been talking about this all morning long. Chris has mentioned it several times that there are specific areas in Cape Coral, namely, where they've been seeing all of that rain that tend to flood as it is. So Cape Police are advising you that the majority of Diplomat Parkway, especially between Nelson Road and Andalusia Boulevard, it's impassable because of the flooding there. So avoid that area, go a different way if you can. And so here we are back at this section of Southwest 20th Ave and Southwest 28th Terrace. I'm just looking at the camera here on the Storm Fox to see what you guys can see. So you see some of these cars are still deciding to go through it. That's dangerous. You don't know if there's a little retention area that you might slip into. They do not want you, and when I say they, I'm talking about law enforcement officials, do not want you driving through any of this water. This is something we're seeing in all kinds of parts of Cape Coral, and we are going to continue to follow that. I'm going to actually go check in with some of the neighbors here, because you probably can't see it, but just out my window, the water's up to the fence and going past the fence at some of these houses. So we're gonna jump out now that the lightning's done and we feel safe to do so, and go check out what's going on. And if you have anything like this, of course, you can send us your pictures, news@fox4now.com, or you can always go on the Fox 4 Facebook page and post them there. But this looks to be, I'd say at least shin deep as I'm looking out the window.
Wow. Well, Amy, we will be sure to check back in with you in just a few minutes once you hop out of the car and are able to kind of get a bearing, a lay of the land of what exactly is going on there. Thank you.